Ang Pilipino.
Filipino.
I-report ang aksidente.
Ayoko.
Yara. Double time.
Ricky.
Dexter. Where are you, Dexter? Oh, come. Bakit kailangan?
Paruta na, Dex.
Bakit kailangan i-report? Why is it important to report all accident and miscellaneous? Monitor all the employees. Monitor all employees? And what is more? And to monitor accidents or all. Okay, so what is going to
Oh, Daniel.
Are there accident on the future? Okay? So good point, right? Oh my God! All of you had a very good and wonderful point. Why accident should be reported? The other guy said the same life. Yeah, yes, good. And Papagana said
Tembial.
good. What is that Papagana guy? Huh? To the injury. What he said is to take attention to the victim. And the other guy, Dexter is saying, is to what? To give information to people, to warning the people that accident can cause injury so that you can prevent and you can avoid other accidents. So those are the reasons why we have to report the accident. Those are the things that you should be giving. Here we have posters. Okay? Report all accidents.